Hey guys, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use Siri on your iPhone in a few different ways. So let's get started. So on your iPhone, first thing you need to do, of course, is enable Siri if you want to use it, if it's not already enabled. In order to do that, simply go into your setting of your iPhone and then go to Siri and search. And under Siri and search, you're going to see here where it says Ask Siri. And you want it to listen for your voice, so we need to go ahead and click on listen for, and then after that we can select either it to be just Siri or Hey Siri, or just simply keep it to Hey Siri. So this option for Siri just itself is available on iOS 17. If you have an older version, you'll just only have Hey Siri. So we'll do Siri here. Now, in order to set it up, we need the Siri to recognize our voice through 5 different voice commands, or that we tell it so it can understand our voice. So we'll hit continue here and repeat after the things that are listed here. So we're going to say, Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. And as you can see here, Siri is finally ready for us to use. Now, you might wonder, how do we activate Siri? Well, the first and the simplest way is under the settings here again, Siri. Since we activated Hey Siri, right, we can actually say Hey Siri and activate Siri just like that. So if I say Hey Siri, as you can see here, it activates and we can give it commands. So once we give it commands, it will process those commands for us. So we can say, Hey Siri, what day is it today?
It's Saturday, February 17th, 2024.
And it's giving us commands just like that. Now, another way to use Siri on your iPhone is by using a phone that has a full screen, by pressing the side button just like that. And once you release it, it will activate Siri. Now, if you have a phone that has the home button, you can actually press the home button and release it until Siri activates, like the iPhone SE or the iPhone 8 series. I press and hold. As you can see here, Siri is activated. Now, another way to use Siri is that if you have a longer command or something, that a request that you want to process, you can actually press and hold the home button like this for a longer phrase to be said to Siri. Now, if you want to do this for iPhone with the side button, with the full screen, you can press and hold it for longer requests so that it doesn't just listen for one request, it listens for a longer time for your request. And from there, you can pretty much say anything you like and Siri will try to process that for you. So that's how you use Siri on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.